In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove New Outlook and restore Classic Outlook. If you've recently opened Microsoft Outlook and noticed that the layout looks different, you may be using the new version of Outlook instead of the classic one. For some people, the new version works fine, but for others, it can feel unfamiliar or may not include the features or workflow they're used to. The good news is that switching back to Classic Outlook is usually very simple, and I'm going to walk you through it clearly. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is fully open, take a moment to make sure you're on the main screen of the app. This is important because the option you need will be available from inside Outlook itself. Next, look toward the top area of the Outlook window and click on Help. This will open a menu with additional options related to support, settings, and version-related actions. If you don't immediately see it, just pause for a second and scan the top menu carefully, since the exact placement can vary slightly depending on your version of Outlook and your screen size. Inside the Help section, click on Go to Classic Outlook. This is the option that tells Outlook you want to leave the new experience and return to the classic version. After you select it, Outlook will begin the process of switching you out of New Outlook. At that point, Outlook will let you leave the new version and take you back to Classic Outlook. Depending on your system, the app may refresh, restart, or take a few moments to complete the change. That's completely normal, so just give it a moment to finish. Once the switch is complete, you should be back in Classic Outlook, where the interface will look more familiar if that's the version you've used before. If you rely on the classic layout for productivity or compatibility, this can make your experience much easier. One helpful tip is to wait until Outlook has fully reloaded before clicking anything else, just to avoid interrupting the transition. Also, if your Outlook window closes during the process, simply reopen it and confirm that the classic version is now active. And that's it. As you can see, removing New Outlook and restoring Classic Outlook only takes a few clicks when you know where to look. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you switch back quickly and easily.